This is CS50, Harvard University's Introduction to the Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming. And my name is David Malin, and I was just thinking this morning that it's been, amazingly, 20 years today since I last sat where you guys do now. It was 1996, I was a sophomore, and I was taking CS50 for the very first time. And I hadn't even gotten up the nerve to take it myself freshman year, partly because at the time, computer science to me was kind of like, I was a bit of a geek growing up, but I didn't really have any intellectual interest in what appeared to just be a whole bunch of people programming all the time. And I was scared, to be honest. The course and computer science more generally had, and to some extent still has, this reputation of a field to beware, if only